what's up? I'm at the monster truck place. Little monster trucks. Oh my God! This is so cute. I think I'm old I think I'm old enough for this. Is that the actual track? Thanks. Thank you for bringing me here. I'm disappointed. Oh my Lord! Look at that. This is so cool.
I seen your pawpaw race here. So look, they get to crush those cars and go over those ramps.
What cars? Oh. Whoa! Why do they just do they make them somewhere else?
Do you take tickets here or? Okay.
I like how there's actually one of those. It's okay. If you want me to see if it's okay first, I will go.
I just want to go over one of those ramps.
No. If you run over one of those,
That's what I want to say. I don't want to go over those ramps. That's all I'm scared about. Going over one of those.
oh my God! Wait, are we gonna be able to crush one of those cars? If we do, I'm gonna really.
Stay in line.
Just no. No way. I hope they allow recording. I hope they allow recording because I'm recording right now. I'm recording.
You excited?
Yes. I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna post it to my YouTube channel.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah. I have a lot of subscribers. 620.
Okay.
I've been doing it for 1 year. I've been doing it for like 1 year.
That's good.
Yeah, I've been growing. It's really
How old are you?
10.
10? Okay.
I started whenever on February 22nd.
Okay.
Yes.
Make all A's.
I have a B. I have an A plus in everything, but in math I have a B plus.
Yeah, that's how I was. Math, I didn't really like.
I mean, it's my favorite subject.
My favorite subject is language arts. Harry, don't you go over there. I will take you home.
Nothing like that. That's what we got.
I'm so excited to ride one of these.
Yeah, we're not going over no bumps. We're going over these bumps that are on the ground.
Oh.
I know. We're not going over ramps now. We're going on these bumps.
Bro.
Okay, man. Time to shoot again.
Time for the mud, guys. We'll get them pretty shoes. Though.
There's a
Don't even think about it.
straw.
Ew, straw. Put it down.
Straw. Ah.
I got tickets. I'm riding.
Oh my God. No, you're going to make a big deal out of it.
I'm probably going to go up on this ride.
I might not, but if I do, I am sorry. Your name is...
You think it's best to sit at the top?
I couldn't tell you how loud these cars are, but like some of
That's
the
why they got the headphones.
some of the regular cars that race here, they're not that loud, but But yeah, I would try to sit at the top. Now, if you go to NASCAR,
Please come rescue me.
bring like ear protection. Like if you ever go to a NASCAR race. Oh yeah, just non-stop loud. Well, I think these horsepower in it.
Hey, do you know what song
Probably
Sweet
got
Little
more power
Bumblebee?
than a Lamborghini
Or Ferrari.
or Ferrari. Exactly.
Do you know the song Sweet Little Bumblebee? You know that song?
Little Bumblebee.
Sweet Little Bumblebee. You know that song?
Kyrie, get up. That's
Okay.
dirt. You gonna get dirt on your butt.
Just get on rescue.
No. Oh, we're just gonna ride on this NASCAR.
Phone won't stay. I can't wait to ride one of these. Oh my goodness gracious. Wait, it's not gonna be that loud, right? Okay, it's not. He said it's not gonna be that loud.
Last time when I went to a drag race because it was loud.
Oh my lord. No wonder. I wonder why they have one of those there.
We gonna be getting on the truck soon.
I wonder what happens. I don't know if like someone actually has gotten hurt before
Oh
or.
my god, I've never been here before. Going off the scariest ramp ever if you're in a monster truck is the container one, because when you're in a container you literally hit a flip. Like you drive off the container and hit a metal.
Oh my god, are we actually gonna go into a flip? Oh good.
If we do, that's way too dangerous.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna be holding on to that thing right there. I'm gonna save me, Jesus Christ.
One time when I was at the spinning thing at our park, I was literally had both of my legs up spinning around. And I was like, that was so scary. But I still survived.
I wonder why they have one of those there.
Just in case
Yeah, just
somebody
in
get
case.
hurt.
I wonder if someone has actually gotten hurt before.
Roll over.
Yeah, some people get hurt. They're just gonna go, yeah.
Or no,
Rather than see that, it'll jump.
nah, that would be like.
Yo.
Let me see it. I can't see anything.
Send that one to your mom.
Oh, we're about to get on. Send that to my mom. Oh, it's not that loud, right? I love your nails.
Thank you.
It's not that loud.
But when you hit the gas,
There might be room for 2 or 3 on here.
It's 4 seats on each side.
So 8 people are as the capacity. Am I actually doing this while recording? If my phone, I'm holding on to my phone. Woo! Okay, they have seatbelts. That's good. That's good.
I'm about to sit on top of my jacket. It's not-
I'm gonna sit right here.
These seats are dirty.
Tell me about it.
buckle this one in.
On my jacket.
Hey, Sadie.
But
Oh, we gotta screw down.
No, we can scoot down.
Can somebody help me buckle?
Where you guys sit?
where's the?
Kyrie, come right here beside me.
Oh, that's for that side.
Okay, we gotta scoot down.
That's what it's really tight.
Oh, y'all gonna go right there?
Yeah, we'll sit across from you. Okay,
I'll sit right here next to
No, sit across from me.
No, I swear.
Sit down.
Go ahead.
Need to make sure. Where's my seatbelt? Oh God. Woo! Make sure the thing is tight. Jesus. Jeez, homies.
Oh, seatbelt right.
I will pray in Japanese. Boy, you okay? I can't. Ow! If you need,
This phone.
hopefully you can record in this thing.
Hey, oh my gosh.
Hi, how are you? I'm recording right now. First of all, this thing is tight around me, so that's good.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Put your hand right here, look.
Please don't kill me.
Grab it.
We're not
Grab
gonna
it.
die. We're gonna die.
Those wheels are bigger
Glad
than
I waited to eat
We're
my
going,
lunch.
we're going, we're going.
Right.
I'm not ready to die, Jesus.
Thank you.
Lord help me. Lord help me. Oh, David.
In the name of Jesus Christ, please make sure none of us die.
Alright.
Amen.
Oh, don't die.
We might die.
A good thing they got the ambulance on standby.
Yeah, thank God it's hot day.
We ain't making it.
Wait, we're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. Man, I have my phone recording. If I die with this thing still recording, I'm gonna be
No,
so.
we're turning right there. I know we turning. I know where we turning. Yep. I know.
Oh, wait, we're going on this.
Oh, we're about to go on the ramp. We're gonna go on the ramp. We're gonna go on the freaking ramp.
Oh, wait, we going down there.
Bye.
Bye, Thanos. I love you. Last time you ever see me.
Yeah, bye. We're gonna have
We are
fun.
on a monster truck.
You good?
Hit that ramp real fast.
No. Bro, this is gonna be epic whenever I actually get some footage of this car. Woo! Oh God, don't crush the kids! Wait! I don't want to take them to die! I don't want no one to die! Ah! I'm going 10 years on! I have 90 more years to live! Ah! Patty cake, please don't kill me. Yeah, he probably was on a show. You're probably correct. Patty cake, please don't kill me. I have 90 more years to live. 90 years more to live. Patty cake, please don't kill me, Jesus Christ. Patty cake, please don't kill me. If I die, I won't be able to post it anymore. I have a life as a furry, and if I die, I will never be able to see my paper persona ever again.
I haven't even made it to
How old are you? 90 more years to live. You're dead. I want to go on one of those ramps.
What if he makes
That was fun. No, tell me that was not fun. You cannot tell me that was fun. Yes. If you tell me that was not fun, if you were to tell me
I did it. I rode
that was not fun.
I rode a monster truck. I just rode an actual monster truck. Yeah, I'm having so much fun. I'm having the funnest time of my life.
I got the best one.
What are you doing?
It's gonna drive over some cars.
So fun.
Yeah. That would be fun.
The show started too.
We got like 2 more hours. It starts at 2 o'clock.
No, I want a part. No, look how big that wheel is. Go straight.
Okay, what car are you in?
Man, that kid is
Wait, Kyrie wants to
Man, that was fun. That was fun. I can't wait to see the footage on that. Cool! Yeah, because you never know. This thing might break. Let me just test it. Okay, it's not gonna break. That was the funnest time of my life. I want to go do the bouncy house, please. Bouncy house. I can't wait for bouncy house. Sure. No, I'm not hungry yet.
I'm getting on the little ones.
Same. Can I do the little one things? Can I have the ticket, please, for the little things? No, wait.
Okay, we gotta get in line.
No, that thing's broken. Can't find the reason why it's broken. Is that not funny? The phone just recording there is just simply the funniest thing.
You hear the phone, hold the phone, feel the engine vibrate.
No, I can't. I'm gonna go in the bouncy house. I'm not hungry. I want to do the bouncy house. Okay. Oh look, it's a. Sure.
They got a little free day for you.
I want to get a churro, actually. I want to get a churro.
You want 3 churros?
Yes, I want 3 churros.
Hey, take the cash here.
Gosh.
Yeah, churros.
This looks. I just want to take that whole thing away. Thank you so much.
I'm feeling inside.
Huh?
I'm feeling.
Yeah.
Oh, there's something inside. Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, thanks.
Here, let me hold these.
Can I have them? Give me.
Get something to drink.
Give me a churro. Mmm. That's good. Oh God, Dad. You almost left me. These are good. I'm having that last one, okay? Okay? Yeah. Tommy Trails are not good.
Popcorn! You get a Sprite?
You have Dr. Pepper? Oh, that's okay. Thanks. Don't eat that last one all the way. I'm still eating mine. This is good. I don't think I can.
Can't. I think I got pockets. Hey, can I get a burger?
Do you want lettuce and tomato?
Just tomatoes, fine.
Cheese?
Cheese, please. Thanks.
My phone's still recording. It's recording for 23 minutes. Yeah, I can't believe my battery's still on.
Gray sweater. Just stand behind him. That's the tickets.
Huh?
Right here.
That's it.
Stand behind that guy.
Blue hat. Right there?
Great. Thank you. We used that before. You put a book on
Pick one of these, ticket for one of these. Choose which one you want to do.
I think I'm gonna do that long bouncy house, not the giant.
Yeah, I would do the long one too.
Yeah, so Mike is not like your truck, like you'd rather like the facade and the bouncy castle. Okay, they're gonna get tickets. Yeah, they're gonna get one ticket. Monster slide is
Don't do that. I'm very gone. I'm sorry. Let me eat this. I'll go ahead and throw this one. These are good.
I used to get those at the skate rink. Still eat them.
It's a big bite.
That's the tomato.
Yeah, and then she didn't know that I was in the loft, so she didn't come to the
Tomato came right off.
I'm like, I don't know where I They didn't know I was sitting inside the loft, so and I heard them in the loft like,
I would get 12.
Okay, Mom is going to walk my dad on the drive by Mommy, do you want to take Peyton?
Good, though.
Get three. Thank you. You want to do the slide first?
Yes. Oh my God.
Put it in my back pocket.
Thanks. I haven't done this in a while. This reminds me of my pop. Hi. I haven't done this in a while.
Wait.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Sit down. Ready?
Yes? Whoa.